Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. For orchids to bloom abundantly, last longer, and display vibrant colors, the most important first step is helping the plant build a truly strong root system. When the roots are healthy, the plant can absorb nutrients more efficiently. The leaves grow naturally green and vigorous, and enough energy is stored to prepare for the next blooming season. In today's video, I will share with you a very simple care method that delivers clear results, helping orchids that have finished blooming recover, regain their vitality, and continue to grow strongly. With this gentle and completely natural care method, orchids not only produce many healthy buds, but are also less likely to suffer from fungal diseases or insect attacks. When the flowers bloom, they last much longer on the stems, and with regular care, your orchids may even bloom year-round without interruption. Let's get started. To make today's fertilizer, I will use 1 orange. I will peel off all the orange peel because this part contains many nutrients that are beneficial for orchids. Orange peels contain natural essential oils, vitamin C, organic acids, and trace minerals. These help fight bacteria, limit fungal diseases, and stimulate metabolism, allowing orchids to absorb nutrients more effectively. In addition, the citrus scent of orange essential oils helps repel small insects, providing natural and safe protection for the plants. After peeling, I will cut the orange peel into small pieces so the nutrients can be extracted more easily, preparing for the next step in making organic fertilizer for orchids. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Once everything is ready, I place all the chopped orange peels into a clean glass cup. Next, I add 500 milliliters of hot water. The hot water helps extract the essential oils and nutrients from the orange peel more effectively, creating a natural solution that is safe for orchids. Cover it with a lid, then let the solution cool completely before use, to ensure the orchids absorb the nutrients gently and safely. To help orchids grow healthy, you need to provide them with enough water. On the other hand, if they lack water, orchids will struggle to grow well, develop slowly, and have difficulty flowering. For this reason, once a month, I always recommend soaking your orchids in clean water before applying fertilizer. This soaking helps deeply hydrate the entire root system, soften the growing medium, and prepare the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively in the next care steps. Not only that, soaking the plant also helps wash away excess minerals and white salt residues that have built up over time in the growing medium, one of the main reasons orchids grow slowly or fail to bloom. I usually soak the plant for about 20 minutes. This amount of time is just enough to evenly moisten the roots and the growing medium, helping the roots maintain ideal moisture without causing waterlogging. After soaking for about 20 minutes, I gently remove the plant and let it drain. At this point, you can see that the soaking water has become cloudy and dirty, showing that many impurities have been removed from the growing medium. When cared for properly and consistently like this, orchids will recover quickly, develop strong roots, grow thick green leaves, and soon produce many new flower buds, bringing vibrant beauty and long-lasting vitality to your orchid pots. Once the orange peel water has completely cooled, I filter out all the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. This way, we obtain a nutrient-rich, pure, and safe solution, ready to be used for orchids without worrying about dirtying the growing medium or harming the roots. Next, I dilute this solution with 1 liter of clean water. Diluting it makes the solution gentler, suitable for regular watering, helps prevent root shock. And to further enhance the recovery effect for orchids, the next ingredient I use is honey. Honey is a completely natural ingredient rich in biological energy, which helps stimulate root growth and strengthen the plant's resistance. I only need to add 1 teaspoon of honey to the diluted solution. Such a small amount is enough to provide a natural energy source, helping the plant recover faster, grow stronger new roots, and prepare well for the next growth stage. Method 1. The first method I want to share with you today is wiping the orchid leaves. You just need to use a soft cotton pad. Lightly soak it in this mixture, then gently wipe both the upper and underside of the leaves. When doing this, wipe slowly to avoid scratching the leaf surface. When wiping the leaves with the orange peel and honey mixture, the natural essential oils in the orange help remove dust from the leaves while also repelling small pests, such as mealybugs and spider mites, common hidden threats that can damage orchids without being noticed at first. Regularly wiping the leaves with this natural mixture helps keep the leaf surfaces clean and well ventilated, allowing the plant to photosynthesize better and grow faster and more steadily over time. In addition, the honey in the mixture provides a small amount of natural sugars and minerals that can be absorbed directly through the leaves. You can apply this leaf wiping method about twice a month. With just this simple but consistent care step, your orchids will stay clean, healthy, and increasingly ready to bloom beautifully over time. Method 2, I will use this same mixture to care for the orchids by misting. This is a very gentle yet highly effective method that provides just the right amount of moisture and distributes nutrients evenly over the stems, leaves, and roots, especially beneficial for the overall development of orchids. When misting, be sure to spray both sides of the leaves, not only the top, but also the underside, because many harmful pests often hide on the undersides of leaves, where they are hardest to see and easiest to miss. Regular misting with this mixture helps protect the plant more thoroughly, thanks to the natural essential oils in orange peels. When sprayed directly onto the plant, these oils effectively repel harmful pests such as spider mites, aphids, and thrips. This is also a simple organic solution that makes caring for your beloved orchids easier every day, without worrying about chemical residues or long-term harm to the plant. You only need to maintain this care routine once or twice a month. Method 3. This method helps nutrients penetrate deeply into the growing medium, nourish the root system from within, and support the overall sustainable development of orchids. When watering this mixture into the growing medium, we are not only supplying nutrients to the plant, but also helping prevent root rot thanks to the mixture's natural antibacterial properties. As a result, the root system is better protected, grows stronger, and forms a solid foundation for the long-term growth of orchids. After watering, place the orchid pot in the solution and let it soak for about 20 minutes. This amount of time is sufficient for the roots to absorb nutrients effectively while still remaining safe, without causing waterlogging or root damage. You should apply this method once every 2 weeks. In addition, you can alternate it with other organic fertilizers to provide orchids with a wider range of nutrients, thereby promoting more balanced and comprehensive growth. After soaking for the full 20 minutes, remove the plant from the pot. I always recommend prioritizing organic fertilizers, even though their effects may be slower than chemical fertilizers. In return, once the plant begins to grow, orchids will be healthier, recover better, and maintain their vigor for a much longer time. This simple yet effective method will continue to support and nourish your beloved orchids, helping them grow sustainably, develop strong roots, and remain ready for their next growth and flowering cycles. Results. After using this liquid fertilizer for a period of time, the most noticeable result is the clear improvement in the root system. Orchid roots begin to grow more vigorously, become plumper and firmer with fresh green and healthy root tips. These roots not only anchor firmly to the growing medium, but also absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, creating a strong foundation for the entire plant. Next are the orchid leaves. They become darker green, glossier, and thicker, with far less yellowing or wrinkling than before. Thanks to regular cleaning and the absorption of natural nutrients through both the leaves and roots, the orchid maintains a stable, healthy, and vibrant condition. After consistent care over time, orchids will enter an energy accumulation stage to form new growth. Healthy plants will have a better ability to produce flower spikes, bloom more evenly, display brighter colors, and enjoy longer-lasting flowers compared to before. With these simple, consistent, and safe care steps, you can absolutely help your beloved orchids grow healthier every day, ready for vibrant and long-lasting blooming seasons ahead. What do you think about this care method? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so we can continue spreading the joy of gardening together every day.